The Galaxy S26 series is right around the corner, with Samsung's big launch event traditionally set for January, and as always, the rumour mill is working overtime. Every week, new leaks drop, and every week, the Ultra model in particular steals the spotlight. The Ultra model is undoubtedly the company's crown jewel. It's the phone that gets all the attention, the most advanced features, and the price tag to match. Surprisingly, one of the biggest questions surrounding the next Ultra, which is of course the S26 Ultra right now, isn't about the cameras, the design, or even the display. It's about something simpler: the charging speed. For years now, Samsung has been, let's just say, conservative in this department. While competitors in China are pushing above 100 watts, Samsung's Ultra line has been holding steady at 45 watts since way back in 2020. To put that into perspective, that's 5 generations of Ultra phones with the exact same wired charging speed. And on a phone that costs well over $1,000, that's something a lot of fans have found disappointing. Earlier this year, Ice Universe hinted at an upgrade, saying that the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra would charge faster than 45 watts. But fast forward to a few days ago, and reports out of China suggested that certifications had locked the phone at 45 watts yet again, and at that point, many fans, including myself, just assumed the dream of faster charging was dead. Thankfully, Ice Universe is back with an update, doubling down and again confirming that the S26 Ultra will indeed hit 60 watts fast charging. If you've followed Samsung leaks for a while, you know Ice Universe has an excellent track record, and although it's not official confirmation, it's definitely a rumour worth taking seriously. Now, on paper, 60 watts might not sound earth-shattering, especially when compared to the triple-digit numbers we're seeing from Chinese brands. However, for Samsung, this is a big deal, as it would mark the company's first step forward in half a decade. In addition, the Ultra has always been the brand's showcase device, the one that sets the tone for everything else in the lineup. If the Ultra gets a meaningful charging upgrade, it opens the door for other Galaxy devices to benefit down the road. Remember, other members of the series are stuck at just 25 watts, so if the Ultra breaks past 45, then the rest of the lineup could start catching up too. Of course, we'll only know for sure once Samsung takes the stage and reveals the S26 series in January, but until then, what do you think about this development? Is 60 watts fast enough in 2025, or does Samsung need to push even further to keep up with rivals? With that said, if you don't want to miss the latest Samsung news, then make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.